close to a lion, whether on foot or in a vehicle, when in the forest or savanna for several reasons. 1. Lions are apex predators. They are powerful and unpredictable, capable of attacking quickly if they feel threatened or see you as prey. 2. Territorial behavior. Lions defend their territory fiercely, especially males, and may charge if they perceive you as a threat. 3. Unpredictable reactions. Even if a lion appears calm, it can suddenly become aggressive, especially if it's protecting cubs or a kill. 4. Vehicles don't always offer protection. While vehicles can deter lions, getting too close can make them feel provoked, leading to dangerous situations. 5. Respect for wildlife. Keeping a safe distance helps avoid unnecessary stress on the animals and ensures a safe and ethical wildlife experience. Would you like tips on staying safe while walking in lion habitats?